Stop.
I'm leaving.
Leave. Go.
Get off of me.
Leave. Go. You're not.
The sidewalk's on the property.
Roll across the street.
The sidewalk's on the
across the
property.
street. Please, I got a headache. Leave. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm.
Can standing on a public sidewalk get you arrested for trespass? Can an officer detain you for asking a legal question? And if the arrest was unlawful to begin with, does resisting it make you the one who is guilty? This case puts 3 foundational legal questions to the test at the same time.
Knock it off. Stop.
I'm leaving.
Leave. Go.
Get off of me.
Leave. Go.
I'm trying to.
Walk then.
Fuck you, bro.
Yeah, walk.
I'm literally trying to.
Well, go.
God.
Get off the property.
I am off the property.
No, you're not.
The sidewalk's on the
Roll
property.
across the street.
The sidewalk's
Roll
on the
across
property.
the street. Please, I got a headache. Leave. Leave.
I'm literally on the sidewalk. I'm not doing anything. I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Are you gonna leave or not leave?
I'm literally trying to get a
Are
ride.
you gonna leave or not leave?
I'm standing on the sidewalk.
Go across the
Arrest me
street.
then.
All right. You're under arrest.
For
Stop.
what? What am I under arrest for?
Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
No.
Give me your arm. You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest. Give me your arm. Put your arm behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not doing anything.
Put your arm behind your back.
I'm standing here.
Put your arm behind your back.
No, I'm just standing here.
Come on. Stop
Why
it.
am I under
You're
arrest?
under arrest.
For what? For what?
You're under arrest. Stop.
what?
Stop. You're under
What am I
arrest.
under arrest for?
Stop. Stop resisting now.
I'm
Stop.
asking you a question.
Stop. Stop.
Motherfucker.
Stop. Put your arm behind your back.
All I'm asking you.
Stop.
I am asking you a question.
Relax.
What am I under
Relax.
arrest for?
Trespassing now.
For what?
Trespassing.
I offered to leave. How am I under arrest?
Stop. Don't lift up on me.
I'm not.
If you lift up, you're
I'm
gonna go on the
asking
floor.
you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest for trespassing? Awesome.
Stop.
Stop. Dan, I'm under arrest. I need help. I'm asking you a question. I offered to leave. How am I under arrest? Grab my phone, please.
Let's go.
I honestly don't understand. I literally offered to leave. I'm on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing.
Make a hole, guys.
How is the sidewalk trespassing? Please answer me. Because my act is a fucking
Good.
prosecutor's office. My best friend's a
Good. Then you call them then.
no problem. I'm asking you a question. I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
Told you to leave.
I was on
Told
the
you to go across the
sidewalk.
street.
I was on the sidewalk. That's not trespassing. I'm on the sidewalk.
You're yelling and
That's public
screaming.
property.
Told me to go fuck myself. What
No,
else do
I
you want to say?
didn't. Actually, no, I didn't.
Oh, it's all on camera.
No problem. No, I didn't. I said I'm on the sidewalk. How is that trespassing?
You're on the property.
If
This
I
whole
am on
block is the property of
The
DJ.
sidewalk is
Yes.
not property of DJs.
Yes, you're on the driveway.
The sidewalk is public
All right,
property.
good for you. Then fight that in court.
No problem. The sidewalk is public property. That's not fucking property of DJs. It's on the sidewalk.
Yeah, okay. Keep digging
Okay. Yeah, okay.
I've been doing this a lot longer than you
The sidewalk
have.
is public
Good.
property.
And you're being disorderly, all right? So stop.
How
And
am I
you're resisting
being
arrest.
disorderly? How is that disorderly? How am I fucking resisting arrest? I sat
Why
there
you
on
should
the
be
phone.
quiet?
I'm asking you a
Why you
question.
should be quiet?
How was I arresting arrest on the fucking sidewalk? As I sat there on the
Look at the
sidewalk.
senior cause. Look, everyone's staring at you
You
right
can
now.
sit there and you can fucking
Look at it,
gaslight the
everyone's-
shit out of me. I'm asking you a question.
Well, I'm not answering
How
you.
did I resist arrest?
I'm done talking to you.
Sitting on the sidewalk and put my hand behind my back.
Keep adding up.
I put my hand behind my back and I fucking,
you
that's
did not.
resisting arrest?
Yep.
But putting my hands behind my
It's all
back on the
camera.
sidewalk?
It's all on camera.
No problem. I'm asking you a simple question.
Well, I already
How
answered.
putting my
That's it.
hands behind my back is resisting arrest? How? How? No? You don't have an answer for me?
Combative feeling,
Put it-
but I didn't want to leave.
That's combative? I put my hands behind my back and I sat there and I said I'm not under
Come on,
your
your ride's
property,
here.
I'm on the
Come on.
sidewalk. I said I'm on the sidewalk.
Come on.
That's resisting arrest?
You don't obviously you don't listen to directions.
How is that not listening?
And that's why you're
I
coming.
sat there and put my hand behind my back. How is that not listening to directions? How is that possible? Seriously,
Come on,
how?
just get in the car.
How is that a question?
Have a good night, all right?
Discon, trespass, resisting, noise.
Texting all that.
Nope.
Yeah, man. Step out and I'll get those cuffs off here. You take a step to the side. We're going this door here.
I'm sorry, I literally have a labrum tear in my right shoulder.
And we'll take off and get inside.
I'm fine, cuffed, like, but in front of me, that's fine, but behind is excruciating.
Okay. They'll be off in just a couple seconds. You can go right in this room here. Yeah. And here, I'll take them off. Alright, just turn around. You can have a seat on that bench. You can sit. All right.
That's fine.
And then we'll put you in a holding cell just for temporarily, and then you'll make a phone call, have someone come pick you up. Okay? Yeah. Just need any jewelry. It's on the earrings, wristlet.
Yeah. Well, get her in and get him out, or get him in there. Henford got released to his brother, and then Trace still back there. He's pretty banged up.
Thanks. Follow me this way. We'll go down this hallway here.
Yeah, so many
And then if you just say cool, calm as you are, we'll get you out of here as quick as we can, alright? We'll go into the next one, so that way you don't have to... You can go in this one. One sec, and I'll grab you. Alright, and then I got a blanket too if you're cold at all, alright? I'll be right back, alright, with the phone. F2.
Careful, the floor's wet out here, okay? Step over it so it doesn't get on your socks. Straight out. You're gonna make a right as soon as you go through the threshold. Right down to the end, you're gonna make a right and then a right. Yep, you have a seat on the brown bench there. Female taken from female cells. Here's your property back there. Shoes. Go ahead and order your Uber, and once you do that, then I'll go over everything. Being charged with is purposely cause, recklessly create the risk of public inconvenience, annoyance, or alarm, which is disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and trespassing. All right, so you have those three charges along with noise and interference with business. They all carry the same court date of 4/8/2025, which is April 8th, 25.
Okay.
All right, it's at 9 o'clock a.m. It's most likely virtual, so contact the court. They'll give you update them with your email and so forth to make sure that you're getting the proper notifications for your court appearance. All right, these are your copies there. You can hang on to those. All right, I just want to verify that you got your phone, wallet, 2 bracelets?
3, yes.
3 bracelets? Just confirm that they're all in there, and
Yes,
2
sir.
earrings?
Yes.
All right, that's all your property that we took from you? All right, I'm just going to have you sign here. Today's date is the 2nd, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Today's date is March 2nd. The time right now is 8:44. p.m. And just sign or print your name, whatever you're comfortable with. And that's just the form stating that you got your property back. That's all it is.
I do have to say, just listening to them for the last couple of hours. I have my cousin's a state trooper, my best friend and her husband are both cops, my ex is a detective. I am so sorry that you guys have to deal with this shit.
Yeah, this is,
I understand I'm not the best ever, but
Right, something got you here today, but thank you for being
my
here.
God, it's so much for me to just try to keep my mouth shut. I literally couldn't for so many times.
Well, appreciate your cooperation in the back, and that's what's getting you out of here right now, all right? I'm gonna walk you out to our lobby. All right, you guys see the lobby, you can wait right outside.
Thank you.
All right, whatever you do, please do
I'm
not
going
go back
home.
to.
I'm not doing anything.
All right,
Thank you.
be good for the rest of the evening.
Thank you.
All right, good luck at work.
Defiant trespass requires proof that the location is private property. Public sidewalks are municipal rights of way and cannot form the basis of a trespass charge. Without a deed or property survey, confirming the sidewalk falls within private bounds, this charge fails its own legal elements. A verbal assertion by an officer at the scene is not evidence of a property line. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided by the Supreme Court in 2001, officers may make a full custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense where probable cause exists. The constitutionality of the arrest does not depend on the severity of the charge. In this case, probable cause was established by the prior conduct inside the bar, not by the sidewalk dispute. Physical resistance to arrest is unlawful, even when the underlying arrest lacks merit. The Supreme Court has consistently held that the legal remedy for an unlawful arrest is a civil rights claim under Title 42 of the United States Code Section 1983, not physical defiance at the scene. Resistance converts a potentially winning legal argument into a separate criminal charge with clear video evidence. In City of Houston versus Hill, the Supreme Court held that verbal challenges directed at police officers, including profanity, are protected under the First Amendment. A disorderly conduct charge built on speech alone is constitutionally defective. However, conduct beyond speech, specifically physical contact with employees prior to police arrival, satisfies the statute independently of any language used. Graham versus Connor establishes that force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Defiant versus Alford confirms that officers are not required to state the precise charge at the time of arrest, provided that independent probable cause exists for at least one offense. Two principles that define the boundaries of every custodial encounter. 3 legal lessons from this encounter. First, never physically resist an arrest. Calmly and challenge in court, where you have the strongest legal standing. Second, verbal challenges to officers are constitutionally protected speech and cannot alone sustain a criminal charge. Third, a charge premised on an unverified property boundary is among the weakest a prosecutor can bring to trial. So was this arrest lawful? The trespass charge may not survive a property records review. The resisting arrest charge has clear video support. The disorderly conduct charge depends entirely on what happened inside that bar before any camera was rolling. Each charge tells a different story, and each story has a different outcome. What the court ultimately decides may reframe this entire encounter. That answer is still open,